Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shauna if you're new here, and today I'm sharing our March morning basket with you guys, and it's all gardening books or gardening themed books, and I'm really excited about it. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get to it. Alright you guys, so the weather is warming up, hopefully wherever you are. I know it's warming up here. We are going to be jumping into gardening. So if you saw my life cycles video, I will link it down below in the description. But this is going to be a lot of the books that I used for that unit study. The kids really enjoyed them, and I think that they are the perfect books for this season. Especially as, you know, the weather starts warming up, people are starting to garden. We are going to start gardening next month as one of our skills. And so I'm going to jump into sharing them. I will try to do a quick flip through of each book at the end of the video. So if you see one that you're interested in but kind of want to take a look inside, then, you know, get an idea if it's actually a good fit for your homeschool, then yeah, stick around. So the first book is In the Garden. Now, I did not realize how large this book was when I was purchasing it on Amazon. It's like half of me. But I don't know if they make a smaller version, but this is really cool because you can open it up and then they have like little tabs that you can open to, you know, this one says Christmas Rose or Elbor, and then it gives you different ones. In the winter, cover the soil with mulch, wood chips, dead leaves. Remember to spread compost just before spring. And then it gives you a recipe for compost and talks about different things of the earth. It's a really cool little book, or a large book, I should say. The next ones that have been so cool are these Grow and Compost. You guys, these books are filled with so much information. It is such a great tool to learn about, you know, different things that you can do in your garden. They also have stickers in the middle, and if your kids are anything like mine, they love stickers and putting them all over everything. And they even have like a little paper game in the back. So it has like a little like board game, and then it has directions on what you can play. I thought that was pretty cool because it's very interactive. And I will link all of these books below down in the description bar, so if you are interested in any of them, then you can just, you know, make your life easier with the link. The next is A Leaf Can Be, and it just talks about all the different things that a leaf can do, what their functions are. I thought it was like a really cute book. Next is A Sunflower's Life Cycle, because our family loves sunflowers. My mom, she passed away, and one of her very favorite flower is a sunflower, and I never really liked sunflowers, but I was telling my oldest, you know, I think that that's her legacy, is that ever since she passed away, that's basically has become everyone's favorite flower. And so I think that that's a really sweet book, and we just love sunflowers, which is also why I have a sunflower house. So we want to try to grow some in our garden when we start it, so hopefully that'll work out. Next is What is Inside a Flower. This book is so just incredible, you guys. It has such beautiful illustrations. It's very educational. It really dives deep into what is inside a flower. And what's really cool is I need to check out these other books because they have a whole bunch of other books like Women in Science, Women in Sports, Women in Art, and then they have books on the planet Earth. So if you're looking to cover any of those things, the author is Rachel. I'm not going to be able to pronounce that. I won't even try. I will link it below. Next is The Big Book of Bugs. And I actually want to get this. So they have the Big Book of Bugs, the Big Book of Blooms, and then they have sticker books that accompany each of these. So I want to get the sticker book for this because, again, my kids love stickers. So there is that one. And then we're also going to be reading again Up in the Garden and Down in the Dirt. They have a lot of different books of these ones for different seasons. So I thought this would be a good one. We are also going to be adding in Exploring Nature. It is an activity book for kids. It has just a whole bunch of different nature themed things. You know, drawing pictures, observation. I think they have some like baking stuff. There's just a whole bunch of things that we can do. You know, there's even like activities to do with mud. So if you're looking for something fun to do outside with your kids, this book is, it seems like it's going to be pretty great. And last but not least, the Big Book of Blooms, because we really liked this one, as well as the sticker book version of it. Like I said, we've been using these in our life cycle unit study. We've really been enjoying them. So once we finish out that unit study, I'm just going to leave them all in our morning basket for the kids to kind of go through. And then in April, I will be completely revamping our morning basket. But I thought that this would be a really great thing because in April, we're going to start our garden. So I will go ahead and turn the camera around and do the flip through for you guys. If you... So that is it. Let me know down below in the comments what's in your morning basket this month. Do you have any favorite gardening books? Are you adding in any bugs or flower books this month? I would love to hear what you guys are reading. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you again later. Bye.